All right. So that was cultural cooking with Terra. This is cultural cooking with Patrick. Tara's here. Hi, Terra.
Hi, Patrick.
Right.
How are you?
Good. This is all dirty.
But that's good.
But
Why
I'm
is
gonna
that
use
good?
well, because Terra just made all the top and knives. If you didn't watch that video, watch that video because, like, you know, it's an awesome video. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make. Actually, do we have any more of the fresh garlic?
No, I used
Okay,
all
you
the
used all the fresh garlic. So
You just have to
I was
chop
gonna
it.
show you how to like prepare fresh garlic, but you can buy garlic that's already prepared in here, like here. Now I take off these little stemmy parts because they might have a bitter taste. Not that
I
garlic
think that,
doesn't already have a bitter taste, but you know what I'm saying, like a non.
that's smart, and also it's
thanks,
harder. They have a harder texture, so.
So here's a way to not cut yourself with a knife. If you're using a knife, bear claw. It's literally impossible to cut your fingertips off with like when you're doing this, because like the knuckles, right? You can't. You can't.
Right.
If you hold your hands like this, you can totally cut your fingers. Don't do that. It's a good habit to get into. Knife safety, knife technique.
You see how he has a towel underneath that cutting board?
You don't
Very
see
smart.
this stuff on like cooking shows. Now you're done with your knife. You can get that out of the way. Because that knives are dangerous. They cut. That's what they do. All right, cool. So we got 3 cloves of garlic in here. And we're going to get a can of garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas.
Let me get you an opener.
Get an opener, water. Fine until I go on camera.
Check this. There you go.
All right. So, if you ever have to sneeze or cough, cover your face.
Please.
Do the vampire sneeze. Vampire cough. Cough into your own. All right. Pour those in there. Oh no! Now see, some of them went into the center hole there. That's not good. So we're gonna go. And then they drop out. Then we throw those away.
Because the blade, we should have put the blade in first.
Oh no, now what do we do?
Yeah,
What if you don't put the blade in first? What if you're like a rank amateur like me and you don't put the blade in first? It's super simple, just get a bowl and then go like that. And then put the blade in, wait, there's still one in there. And put the blade in first. And watch out, that blade is super sharp. It's like cheddar cheese, man. It's super sharp. And then you can pour these in here at will. So everybody makes mistakes. Okay, tahini. You can buy tahini sometimes at your local supermarket, but if it's like my local supermarket, Giant Eagle, it's going to cost you an arm and a leg. So I highly recommend Trader Joe's or a specific Middle Eastern market. But here's the thing: if you don't have tahini, tahini is just ground up sesame seeds. That's all it is. Sesame seed paste. You can use peanut butter. You can use almond butter, cashew butter, any of those nut butters. Tahini's got a really mild flavor. It's wonderful. And you just need 2 teaspoons of this. So 1 can of garbanzo beans, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 heaping teaspoons, probably 2 tablespoons of tahini,
Beautiful.
lemon juice.
Oops.
And then in order to get this thing rolling, you can put olive oil in here. If you're using this as a low-calorie dish, you can use water to thin this out to make it easier to, to get to the right consistency. The oil's going to give it a different level of flavor, a different dimension, but it's also going to add calories. So like I said, if this is dietary, you can use as much lemon juice as you want. 0 calories in lemon juice. See? 0. You can use water. Water has 0 calories. Now the first go, you're probably not going to be able to like make this thing spin revolutions. A little more lemon juice. I like lemon juice, so I'm going to use a lot of that. And then you can use your spoon to scrape down the sides so that you can get the big chunks down towards the bottom to the blades. Beautiful. Now you can eat this. This is going to taste just like it's going to taste when it's a homogeneous paste, but like, so you can just go. This is going to be a little chunky. It's like eating chunky peanut butter. It's not enough liquid. I might get some water. And remember, you can always add more water, but you can't take it away. So just add a little bit at a time. See how it's starting to move? It's starting to move at the bottom, but not at the top. So, scrape it down, a little bit more water. That'll probably do it. Oh, yeah. The other thing is, if you have like really sensitive hearing, like I kind of do, you might want to use ear protection for this. Just get a pair of headphones and put them in your ears, or turn your ear away from it. And you can also pulse it so that you're not getting that really loud, annoying noise for long periods of time, because hearing loss comes from both volume and from duration. And that thing is loud. All right, so that's it. And you can see the consistency. Yeah. So you take the blades out first and be careful. Scrape those puppies off.
Right there in the sink.
That's what you're looking for. You're looking for this beautiful paste-like consistency, and it's going to have the remnants of the tapenade in there, so it's going to have that olive flavor, which is wonderful. Now you could actually grind up some olives in here. You could use red peppers. You'll see that. You'll have kind of an orange color to it. You can top this with paprika to give it a reddish color. You know, there's a lot of things you can do with. This is the basic hummus recipe, but you can make hummus out of just about anything. You know, hummus actually means earth, and so it's got the consistency of like loamy soil.
We're going to put some in our snack tray, which is coming up next.
Alrighty. So that's the next ingredient in our snack tray, and we're going to show you our snack tray in the next video. Tune in, smash like, have a great day.